Today I want to bring you an inspiration of two gorgeous tiaras. The first design is a little bit more simplistic, modern minimalist design, but equally beautiful if you're looking for something a little bit more down to earth, not as majestic. It sits beautifully on the head and it sparkles ever so stunningly with all these Swarovski crystals embedded within the tiara. It can be incorporated into an updo really beautifully, but also worn with your hair down. So this is the first choice, really stunning design. Check it out on My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy. And the second design is the polar opposite of that. It's a little more majestic, a little more elaborate design, a little bit bolder, but equally beautiful for a bride who really wants to stand in her authority, power, and majesty on her gorgeous wedding day to feel like a queen.